Our family farm's been here since 1834. We used to have a log cabin out back, and then they built the brick house in front in 1872. Everything's pretty well grown since then. Had all the struggles that come with farming throughout the generations, but managed to keep it around. So I'm Andrew Albers. I graduated Wright State Lake in 2017, and I currently run A&M Egg Drone Services and A&M Egg Transport.
Stand back at a safe distance.
Where we spray with drones.
Take off.
So there's an 8-gallon spray tank, and I spray at 2 gallons the acre. So I'm running these drones, and they're coming back about every 5 minutes, and 5 to 8 minutes, and then I'm
Upward obstacle avoidance enabled.
refilling them and sending them back out. They go right back out to where they stopped at, and they'll continue spraying from there until the field's done. I usually spray about 40 to 50 acres an hour. Got across roughly 28,000 acres this year, and it was a long summer. I think people are pretty impressed with it. It does a lot better job than some of these other aerial applicators because it's getting up into corners, it's not going over power lines and spraying the neighbor's field. I mean, it's right where you want it. So Wright State has helped me with the financial side, knowing numbers, knowing how to use certain applications like QuickBooks and run balance sheets and stuff like that. Because with any business, even though it's just egg business, some people they look at that as a different kind of business. It's not, hey, I'm dressing up in a suit and I'm going to work every day. But there is a lot of financial stuff that goes into farming and running these other businesses, and you can't forget about that. I've met a lot of people through Wright State Lake, a lot of business owners, and a lot of people that have given me a lot of advice throughout the years to help me grow this and push me forward in life. So a lot of the farmers are a lot happier with it, and it's also more timely. I've seen some better yields and just being able to get out there and stop these diseases from taking over cornfields. People have been pretty happy with.